Welcome our President Justin Chen to make some remark today.
All right. Good morning. Good morning. All right. My name is Justin Chen. I am the current president of the South Bay Taiwanese American Association of Northern California. Today, I welcome all of you to attend our celebration for our 15th annual Lantern Festival. Right? This is a marquee event in South Bay, and as I just mentioned, this is the 15th year. So we've carried on the tradition, long time, right? 15 years ago, and hopefully we will continue in the coming years. And first of all, I would like to thank our VIP guests, right? From the community and also from local leaders, and especially our TCO representative from the deputy director from San Francisco, and the TCO Culture Center in Milpitas, Ms. Strong, right? And former Fremont Mayor Lady May, yes, and Congressman Sam Ricardo's representative Justin, right? And then Santa Clara County Supervisor Otto Lee, right? And our school district representative Stanley Guo, yes, right? And then some distinguished guests. Anita Hong, yes, right, and Kathy Lee, okay, our OCAC commissioner, right, okay, all right. So with that, we're gonna start our festival today. In the first section, we will have a few appreciation presentation to be done. Follow that, we will have our program. Now, in between, as you can see, as we set up, we have some booth that provides service from the communities, and we also have some very, very genuine, authentic, food that you can try on. So, be our guest, and hopefully everybody can enjoy our celebration today. Okay, so let me speak in Chinese. 各位乡亲、各位社区的朋友们，大家好。我是南湾台湾同乡会会长陈俊成。今天很高兴大家来到本会的第15届元宵花灯节。希望今天大家能够玩得尽兴。接下来的话，我们会展开一系列的这个感谢颁奖活动，之后的话，我们的节目会陆续展开，希望大家可以在往后可以继续支持我们这个活动，谢谢。
Next, we wanted to have a video from Taiwan's OCAC head.
全球的侨胞朋友们，大家好，我是嘉青。过去1年，台湾在国际舞台上，无论是经济或是政治，都表现得相当亮眼。尤其是我们台湾棒球代表队12强赛获得世界冠军的那个感人时刻，哇！你是不是又觉得全身热血沸腾起来了呢？无论你身在哪里，让我们一起告诉世界，台湾雄勇，亲台湾。侨委会会在新的1年持续的拜访所有的团体、学校、华语文中心及所有的台商朋友 ，Move to Next Generation 的核心理念，一起来实现 Our Next Dream， 继续为广大的侨胞朋友们来尽心尽力的服务，祝福大家时来运转，事事如意。
大家好，我是阮昭雄。这1年来辛苦了，感谢我们海内外侨界所有的朋友，无论是商业合作上，还是文化推广上，都让全世界的人看见了台湾的创意跟拍品，实在一高赞。新的1年，侨委会将会加强与台湾关键产业，例如半导体、AI、人工智慧等等的对接合作，为台湾和海外侨台商搭建起更优质的合作平台。未来的1年，大家一起努力，祝大家想要有什么就有什么。新闻都好啦！
大家好，我是张良敏。哇，看到满桌子的很慷慨的菜，是不是很想念在台湾大家一起过年吃团圆饭这个感觉啊？在过去的1年，侨委会非常努力，我们的产学携手合作侨生专班报名人数创下历史新高，成功吸引了许多海外的侨青踊跃的报名来台湾读书。欢迎你们！相信这些海外的青年也已经深深的爱上了在台湾的生活。在未来，我们侨委会会更加完善各项辅导的机制，协助侨生安心融入台湾，为我们国内提供更多优秀的人才。祝福大家3年平安，大家都欢迎。
大家好，我是荣幼儿。世代传承是国家发展重要的基石。看看你身边的小朋友，说不定他们就是下一个黄仁勋哦。侨委会每1年都会举办全球侨界青年高峰会、海外青年英语服务营以及台湾青年海外搭桥计划，来发掘培育下一个侨界未来之星。Come on, I need you！ 祝福大家新的1年都神采飞扬，满心心意。
侨委会在这边祝福大家，
蛇拿九稳，相中听。
Now, OCSC is the one owns this building, and they have a lot of different activity centers like this throughout the whole United States, plus Japan and all the other countries. Before we move on to ask the Deputy Director to come aboard to make a remark, just wanted to let you know our new office in San Francisco will be opening soon. So I hope you already get the invitation. It's February 27th. If you don't have it, let us know. We will send an invitation letter to you. So next, we'd like to invite Mr. Chiu, the Deputy Director from TACO office, to make a remark.
大家好，新年快乐！陈金城会长、周信杰侨务执行委员、李汉文侨委员、各位贵宾、各位乡亲、各位女士先生，大家好。我是驻旧金山台北经济文化办事处副处长朱永康，今天很荣幸代表本处赖明吉处长来参加这个元宵节灯会的庆祝活动。首先还是要跟大家拜个年，今年是蛇年，祝福大家蛇来运转，什么都好，什么都顺，什么都成功，好不好？农历的新年是我们每年最重要的节庆时集当中，那也是我们小孩子、小朋友的最爱。那每到这个时候从年前到初1到15都是达到我们庆祝的高潮。那我相信大家也都跟我一样 都有一个很美好的童年。那每到了农历的春节时候，也都是最高兴的时候。台湾每到过年的时候，有各式各样的灯会的活动，有各式各样的民俗传统的表演，各样的美食，所有好吃的、好玩的、好看的，都在这个时候一次的呈现，多彩多姿，也热闹非凡，令人怀念。所以今天应该是我们小朋友最高兴的时候。那所以我很感谢呢，南湾台湾同乡会在海外为社区、为小朋友们、为我们大家一次的把这些好吃、好玩、好看的活动都呈现出来，不止让我们大人有一个很美好的回味童年的这个机会，也展现出我们传统文化的丰富和多元。当然，也另外我们在海外的小朋友能够沾染到传统文化的这种气息，对于传统文化有更多的了解和这个知道他们的创意，所以非常感谢南湾台湾同乡会的辛劳和准备。当然，今天大家就要尽兴，吃的、玩的、看的都开心。大家不论大人和小孩，一起来抓住新年的尾巴。我们预祝今天的活动顺利圆满成功，也祝福大家新年快乐，身体健康，万事如意。谢谢。
Now we're going to ask the director Chad to come on board to make a remark.
我们副处长，还有我们在座的所有贵宾，我们的李汉文委员，我们所有的侨界好朋友，大家好，我是金山湾区侨澳中心的主任庄雅淑。今天非常的开心，我们南湾台湾同乡会来到侨澳中心来举办我们元宵花灯会。我们都知道，元宵花灯会呢是我们北加州1年1度侨界的大盛事。透过元宵花灯会，让我们的所有的社区能够来更认识、了解台湾的元宵花灯的文化。那元宵节呢，是台湾社区非常重要的节日。元宵花灯节是代表着一年新年能够平平安安、圆圆满满，所以在这边也要代表侨会、代表侨中心来感谢我们南湾台湾同乡会一直以来举办元宵花灯会所做出的贡献。我们知道，透过元宵花灯会，不只能够让我们的子弟能够更了解我们台湾的传统文化，同时也透过这个元宵花灯会跟我们的主流社区来交流，透过元宵花灯会来让更多的我们的主流好朋友来认识台湾的传统文化。所以在这边也要特别来感谢我们南湾台湾同乡会。那我想呢，今天侨澳中心在我们的现场也设置了我们爱侨卡的 booth。我想借由这个机会，也来跟我们所有侨界好朋友来分享爱侨卡。爱侨卡是一个折扣卡，在我们的全球有4000多家的特约店，不管是你要搭长荣、华航回到台湾，或者是在台湾的食衣住行，甚至于你在这个北加州这边，还有很多的特约店，包含了美而美、金麦面包、段纯真牛肉面、爱台湾 food， 还有我们今天在现场的我们清蒸一条龙，都是我们爱侨卡特约店。那我们在侨澳中心呢，在现场有设置了爱侨卡的 booth， 所以在我们的这个左手边这边，如果我们各位侨胞有兴趣的话，现场申办可以获得我们的小礼物。我们小礼物呢，包含了我们的总统的福袋。好，现场申办的话会有一个总统的福袋，另外呢还可以选择我们爱侨卡的笔记本，所以这个好消息呢也提供给我们所有侨界的好朋友，欢迎我们所有的好朋友一起来申办爱侨卡。最后呢，我要再次的感谢我们的南湾台湾同乡会举办这么棒的活动，让我们社区能够凝聚在一起。祝福我们今天的元宵花灯会圆满成功，也祝福我们所有的好朋友在新的一年里面能够12年行大运，身体健康，万事如意。谢谢。
Next we have presentation to do. And so in random order, the first one is Lily May. Please come on board. She, as you know, she is a pioneer for the female leader in Bay Area. 8 years, many years, Fremont. And before that, the city council, and before that, she was an executive for a high-tech company. And so she's working with us quite closely for the many years. And we'd like to present the Lifetime Achievement Award to her.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. 大家好，大家好，我是佛利蒙前任的市长，很高兴今天有这个机会。我希望有这个机会祝大家新年快乐，元旦节快乐。Wanted to say Happy Lunar New Year, and I love seeing the continuation of the culture and heritage with our youth. As a mother and former school board member, I think it's so important as our youth are our next generation, and they bring us such hope. And I've loved seeing, and I wanted to thank the members of FASCA. They were in Fremont last week to celebrate the Lunar New Year. But the ability to share our culture, our love for our heritage, and also our communities is very important. Whether it's with our elderly, which I count as now as a senior, or to all those who are young. I appreciate that you have spent all this time 在文教中心 to keep this 保持这个 heritage and knowledge. So to all the members of FASCA, keep going, keep sharing the heritages, and I love that you walk to a different beat of a different drummer at times, and then also are able to, during the years I've seen the lion dance, I'm a little biased. If you ever see me feed the lion, I try to feed the female one. So I believe the future is female. So with that, I just wanted to 祝大家新年快乐，身体健康，万事如意. So wishing you blessings and say, Dosha, thank you so much for this.
All right, next is one of our outstanding leaders, Otto Lee. We worked with him quite a lot in the past many years. So he's Santa Clara County Supervisor.
Yes, Dr. John Chu, Sophia 张主任，大家VIP 大家贵宾你好，我是 Otto Lee 李周晓，现在是 Santa Clara 县的县长，代表我们200万县住在这里人15个城市，今年来跟大家拜年，很高兴有这个机会。I have the opportunity to be here for the Taiwanese Lantern Festival. This is the 15th anniversary, and I've been to a few of them before, but this year I see it's very successful. Many of you came earlier, get to listen to the Erwu, the beautiful music, and also the performance of the dragon dance. I don't know if you noticed, the little girl who was beating the drum in the middle, I think she was smaller than the drum. But she was amazing. So I just want to give them a huge round of applause for all the great work that they did and all the future performance. You're going to see all the young kids, so you are in a treat to see many of the great performance. So enjoy the day. Today I'm representing county to give a certificate commendation to the South Bay Taiwanese Association of Northern California for hosting the 15th annual Lantern Festival, providing opportunity to unite and celebrate the blessings of food, music, and crafts to bring Lunar New Year with the promise of peace, prosperity, and harmony for all. 我祝大家身体健康，蛇年好，蛇乐混。好，谢谢大家。
Okay, we're going to present the award to you also. Our outstanding leadership award to Supervisor Otto Lee. He has been a very important leader in South Bay, and we work very closely with him. And hopefully, in the future, we'll continue to support him in all the way.
我也希望要进去。
There's a Hsinchu and Santa Clara sister county. Okay, we have one more. This again is a random order. So as you know, we are supporting Congressman Sandy Carlo for almost a year. When he announced his candidacy during the primary, he called me the next day, and we set up a team, work closely with people like Lily May, our mayor, and host at least 13 different media conferences to support him. And we're happy that he won by 20% landslide. So let's welcome his representative to say a few words, and then we're going to present him also an award. It's an outstanding leadership award.
On behalf of Congressman Sam Liccardo, thank you so much for this amazing award. It's one of the first of many, hopefully, for the Congressman. I apologize, my Mandarin's not good enough to speak, so you'll have to do with English. But the Congressman really wishes he could be here. He's currently in the air, returning from Washington, D.C., where he was working on a lot of important legislation. But he wants me to thank you for the award and for inviting him to be part of this community. And we hope that we'll have a long-standing relationship for many years to come. Thank you.